watching movies on Discord with friends. In today's video, you are going to learn how to watch movies on Discord with friends. So let's get started. First, you have to go to Discord, and on Discord, you just have to log into your account. After logging into your account, you just have to go to the settings. As you just have to scroll down and scroll down until you see this gear icon. You just have to click on it and you will be at settings. Now in settings, what you have to do, you just have to look for advanced settings option, and in the advanced option what you have to do is you have to simply turn on your hardware acceleration, and afterwards if you try to stream your Netflix movies it should work. But just in case if it does not work, you have to do is you just have to be at your browser and then you have to search for Discord, and then you can log in from here again. That's it. That's how you will be able to watch movies using Discord with friends.